Have you ever wondered how your brain processes the things you see? It's a fascinating journey that happens in the blink of an eye. Let's break it down. First, light from an object enters your eyes through the cornea and passes through the pupil. The iris, which controls the pupil's size, adjusts the amount of light entering. This light then hits the lens, which focuses it onto the retina, located at the back of the eye. The retina is where the magic begins. It contains millions of photoreceptor cells, called rods and cones. Rods detect light and darkness, while cones pick up colors. These cells convert light into electrical signals that are sent to the brain through the optic nerve. Once these signals reach the brain, they travel to the visual cortex located at the back of your brain. Here, the brain identifies shapes, colors, depth, and motion. This process allows you to recognize faces, read words, and perceive the world around you in vivid detail. So, next time you spot a friend in a crowd, remember, your eyes and brain just worked together in perfect harmony to make it happen. Amazing, isn't it?